you're gonna see some pretty cool cars completely transformed and how you can do the same in your garage. And if that didn't get your attention, did I mention we give away a lot of cool stuff and make the viewer part of the development process. Down the middle.
Ceramic Slam, available at your finer retailers.
That was awkward.
Okay,
Also great treats for the trick-or-treaters.
yeah.
Yes, can't beat that.
I got a Snickers!
I got a candy bar.
Holy crap, I got clay bars! Yay!
We've just about got the exterior of the Z4 completed, and wow, we're really excited to show you how it's transformed the car completely. But until then, we still have some interior work to do. And whenever we do interiors around here, we call in our interior expert, Josh. Josh, tell us a little bit about what you're doing today on the car.
Well, surprisingly, the interior wasn't as bad of a condition as we thought.
Well, wait, now you were a little rough on me when we brought it in. To learn more about how to formulate products, how to get them perfect, and the only way you do it is by finding cars with real-world problems. Forwards, across, like the wind goes across the panel, and then back this direction until we take out all those minor swirls and go from there. And here we go. So there you have the first pass we did. I usually like to do 4 or 5 passes to check the paint, see what kind of progress we made, and about a medium pressure. You don't have to push hard. Kind of let the buffer do the work. You can see here we dusted the paint a little bit. We should have wet down the sponge just a little bit more before we got started, but that's okay. It's easy to clean up and we'll move on from there. But let's remove this really quickly and see what the paint looks like underneath. Oftentimes we'll use a paint prep to make this stuff come off, but this new compound that we're working on, man, it just comes off so well. It's like butter on here coming off, and wow. I think we went right with the medium. In a quick buff, that thing turned to glass. It's too bad I can't show anybody, but you guys, because that is amazing. So we're gonna finish the rest of the car now, and I think you're gonna agree. It looks like you could swim in that paint. Great, let's move on.
Yeah, I thought that the shoe polish was a little bit hacky when we brought it in to do shoe polish on the seats, but you know, I was wrong. I will admit I was wrong. It looked good at the end of the day. I like to just spray a little bit. We like to be pretty liberal with it.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
With about, well, 1/6 of a ratio of 1 part soap to 6 parts water. And hopefully the eucalyptus in our research and our formulations should help with the overall cleaning power. The essential oils should lubricate things up. So let's get started.
Now also, we have a heat gun here because we can speed up the drying process if we want to do a whole seat in one sitting and take it from that point. Now normally, I would use an airbrush for this. It's much faster. However, for this situation, we wanted to see how it looked doing it by hand. We may go back and airbrush after. Let's find out. Somebody wrote me an anonymous note and put it on my desk and said, well, at least we can change the name of the show to Detail and Fail. And I'm thinking, really? Oh. That did look like you're right.
you gotta check out whoa, what is going on here?
Nothing, I'm just doing a little bit of experimenting. You know how we wanted those new products ready for this episode. So I'm in here working with some graphene, some ceramics, and I really think you're gonna like the results.
Mixing it up a little bit, huh?
I am, a little bit, but we're gonna put a new decal right over the top of that. And so it's really not gonna make much difference from that point. So let's mask it off and then we'll come back to our next trick. For just a couple of bucks, you can really make a difference with these cars. This was our earlier center hub, and it just was missing the zing that we wanted to bring some color back into this black paint. So we got online, and for 25 bucks, we were able to get 4 new ones with the colored emblem. And I think you'll agree, that really is gonna do some things. We actually put it in one of the wheels here. It just makes the whole thing pop. Now when we put it back together, let's get a shot of these together here. The new caliper, the new logo, it's really gonna do wonders and make this car a lot more valuable in the end.
Then it's...
How are the seats going? How are the seats going? How do you like those seats? Do you think maybe we should drive them? It'll be easy. It'll be easy. It'll be easy.
What we do want to do is let the product sit on there for a few minutes, and then we would buff it down to the sheen that we think is appropriate. So let's go ahead and do that right now because of time, and you can watch what it will look like when we're done.
This is truly a disaster detail. There is trash everywhere, and it wasn't all from me. Some of it was from me. I haven't been good about keeping it up. It's ironic that, you know, we own a detailing company and I haven't been able to get at it.
Biohazard in the area. Biohazard in the area. Biohazard team deployed.
Aren't the suits a little bit of an overkill? Aren't the hazmat suits a little bit of overkill? I've actually got a surprise for you guys. Our new detailing brushes, which...
Did you say detailing brushes?
Hi.
Sorry, but I was so excited about the new brushes, I just wanted to watch them in action again.
Okay. Well, do you want to tell them why they're such great brushes? Or?
No, this is your show. You go ahead. Okay, since you asked.
Okay.
Show besides driving cool cars and watching them transform is
Fan mail.
yeah. Fan mail. Okay, fan mail is a stretch. Let's just say we love to read suggestions that viewers have about the show. And so I thought we would read a couple of emails and really do what they want to do. What do you think?
Yeah.
So
Let's read a couple.
okay, so here's the first one. Dear Detail and Bell guys, you really should not even be on camera. Okay,
Let's
go to the next one.
Let's skip that one.
I knew there was a good one in here somewhere.
Excuse me.
Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm helping out.
That's considered interior. Aren't you a little bit out of your zone?
Now, wait a minute. I looked at the car map, and this is the neutral zone, right through here. So I wanted to come through and show everyone how important it is to get these little details when doing a great detail job. Heard of it? Carry on. Part of your plan not to wash this, but in reality, I'm kind of glad you didn't, because, hey, I'm talking about the cleaner. So if truth be known, we've really been looking for a great way to test this. And with the weather as it is outside right now, what a great opportunity for us to go through and wash the entire car without a drop of water.
What actually gets me super excited about Bill coming in with a plasti dip on the wheels. So he's gonna go through, and the best part, Steve, I'm right in the middle of an interview. Can I get a little privacy here while I'm doing this? Can you make copies later?
Sure. Sorry about that.
Okay. Thank you. Anyway.
Ow.
Oh, geez, what are you doing over here?
Well, I was a little hungry, but I also wanted to test out ceramic slam on the hood of the car and see how well it repels things. And so I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone.
We just got this hood a couple months ago.
Yeah, well, it makes a great grill. And
Hello?
Hi, is this poison control?
Yes, you've reached poison control. How can I help? Sir? Sir?
Really? I'm taking a sick day today.
come on, little doggy, let's have some fun. And we know how much you love a good mirror. So, but the man mirrors did make it. They really pushed it out and widened the stance and the lines on that truck. Absolutely. And you got to admit, I got those wheels and tires together, the whole set for $600.
Oh, wow, within the budget.
Well, kind of. If we add on the logo, the new emblems, and all those other things, you know, we maybe went over. But once again, occasionally you're gonna find projects where you just love what you're doing and you wanna keep it. So adding in the new parts really took that up. And I'm gonna tell you a quick story, and then we'll get to our giveaway.